Hey all, welcome to Programming and Methodologies 1 in Java. I am your instructor, Joe Manlove. You can call me Joe. I don't need to be called Dr. Manlove or Professor Manlove or any of that nonsense. We can just stick with Joe. I'm going to do my level best to know your guys' name by the end of the first or second week. Do not let me get away with mispronouncing your name. I want to be correct. I want to call you what you want to be called. If I screw up your name or your pronouns or anything, just let me know. I'm happy to take that feedback and try to do better. Let's do a quick introduction just to the front page of the course, and then I will let you go. So here's our course front page, and here we have some useful things. So, oops, this is in my view. Let's view as a student. Okay, so looking at this from what you guys can see, there's a syllabus here that'll take you to a PDF of a syllabus. You can also look in here at simple syllabus. That'll have some information. It's the same information between the two. I just find that some people like simple syllabus and some people don't. So feel free to look either place for any questions you might have on the syllabus. The Discord server is where all the kind of interaction between me and you guys and each other is going to take place, other than inside the classroom. So get in that Discord. It's a free app. Download the app on your phone. You can figure out notifications. You can turn them down so that mentions is the only thing on there. I do want you to have mentions on though. That way, if there's some problem, like say their classroom has been taken over by rabid raccoons or something, I can be like, at everyone, rabid raccoons in classroom do not enter, and then I can just assume that you've all gotten that message and that none of you will be mauled by raccoons. So it would be great if you could get in the Discord server. That is where we're going to do all of our interacting. There's this grand list of videos and resources. Right now, there's not a lot in there. I'm kind of building this course as we go this semester, but that list will get longer and longer. So this way you don't have to remember which module a video was in or which module a like code snippet was in. That's all going to be in there. There's a YouTube playlist that's going to be this video, and all the other videos that I'm going to make for this class are going to be in that playlist. And then here I've got at least one Java tutorial video series that I like right here. I'm probably going to fill this out some more, so I would expect by the end of the semester for this to be pretty full. Right now I just threw in the one favorite that I found so far. The other place that you're going to want to interact with a bunch is going to be in this modules page. That's going to have modules. Let me see if I've got one published right now. Okay, great. I've got just the introduction module. There will be more of these as the semester goes on, but all of these are going to be basically the same. There's going to be one page here that you can open up and take a look at. So that's got some stuff in it. It's going to have more stuff in it in a couple of minutes. I just had to make some video first, so this is the video I'm making first. But we'll have some stuff in here. That'll be like the content for that module. That's the stuff I'm expecting you to watch and consume outside of class. And then here there will be our assignments that we're going to be working on. My expectation for you guys is going to be that you're gonna watch the videos outside of class, and then you're gonna come to class prepared to either talk more in depth about what was in the videos, or prepared to start writing some computer code. I find that you guys probably want to be able to pause me, you want to be able to speed me up or slow me down, or pause me and then go ask ChatGPT a question about what I've just said, or pause me and try it yourself, or whatever. So I want you to have that option to be able to mess around with those concepts as they're happening. And I find that I can't really do that in a live classroom. So all the videos are going to be the modules. And then in class, what's going to happen is you're going to come into class. We're going to work on some code together. I may have some little code challenges for you. I may have some lab projects that aren't on this assignment list. We'll kind of see, but that's there will be something to engage you during class, and it won't be me talking at you. I think that's what I want to get for a very quick tour of the Canvas module. There's a lot more stuff you can do with Canvas. I'm going to trust that you guys can either figure that out or that you'll ask me later. I'm happy to provide a more serious Canvas tutorial at some point. For right now, I just want to say thanks for joining the class. I really appreciate that you've taken the time to sign up for this, and I'm psyched to have some Java interactions. And hopefully, we'll get to the point where we can write some cool programs, maybe mod some Minecraft. We'll get some fun stuff going. Thanks for joining. I will see you guys in class.